Hello guys! Today I will show you how to create a Steam account successfully. Let's begin. First open Steam. And in here, click Create a Free Account. And enter your email in both blanks. Then tick here and here. Then click Continue. Now go to your Gmail index and you can see Steam account verification mail. Click that and click Verify my email address. Now go to your Steam window. In here, put your name and password you want. Then click Done. Now click Continue. Then put your given account name and password here. Then click Sign In. Now you have Create Steam account successfully. If this video helped you, you can appreciate by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.